One TI-84 bundle. Every AP Physics 2 electricity and magnetism topic worked out step by step. Electrostatics, capacitors, circuits, magnetism, induction, AC circuits, wave optics, unit conversions. It's all in here. This isn't a lookup table, it's solving. Reactance from inductance, reactance from capacitance, combined into total impedance. Right on the calculator, you're already allowed to bring into the exam room. And if you're not sure which formula applies, EMHELP walks you through the concept first. Right-hand rules, sign conventions, direction reasoning, then sends you to the exact solver you need. It's free, even if you don't buy the bundle. EM1, EM2, EM3, unit converter, waves, and the free EMHELP companion. Links below. Go see what your calculator can actually do.